Hi there, my name is Mary Beth here with InstaCash250, and I wanted to do another video for you just to show you some continued results and proof that this amazing Cash App system works, and it works really well by just following the simple system along with the simple instructions that you're provided with when you become a paid member of InstaCash 250. Now, first off, with Instacash 250, it's really simple. The compensation plan is direct, instant, member-to-member payments of $250 over and over again. So for every person that joins you directly, you're able to receive and keep 100% of the commission, which is $250. There's no admin fees. There's no monthly fees, okay, for this, with the exception of your 1-800 link phone number, okay? It's really a simple system because all we are doing is advertising and sharing our 1-800 link phone numbers. Okay, so we're going to show you a little bit of proof here once again. Today being Tuesday, August the 3rd, 2021, and we'll come in here and at 10:40 this morning, I had another $250 Cash App payment. Right here, see there is the little purple C, okay, for the symbol right here for Cash App, okay? And there you go, folks. I see, which is Instacash 250, was sent $250, okay? So there you see another new member joined today, and I received another $250. Each and every day is a little bit different, but if you're consistent with your marketing, these payments are going to come in consistently, okay? You can expect these on a daily basis, although I do have to come in here and state that I can't make any income guarantees, claims, or promises because I simply don't know what you're going to do with this system once you receive the information and instructions and training along with your work ethic, okay? But if you follow the simple instructions, folks, you too can be receiving these payments regularly, consistently, daily, even multiple times a day, okay? There's no website. Let me state that again, folks. This is really simple. You do not need a website and you do not need an autoresponder. We're not advertising using a website and you do not need any type of autoresponder. Very simple. All we are doing is sharing and advertising a 1-800 phone number. When people respond back, either they leave a voice message on your 1-800 link phone number or they respond back with an email request. And all you do is you simply share with them and send them a simple 4-page digital download, which I'm going to reveal and show you once again on this video, okay? This is really simple. You just read it, follow the instructions, and you can get started, folks. With this system, you do not have to speak to anyone. The way this is set up with an automated phone funnel system, a 800 link phone number that explains everything, and all of the details is further explained in this simple 4-page digital download, okay? So that's what I absolutely love about this. Anybody can do this. There is no list required, no autoresponder required, no website required. In my opinion, anybody can advertise and share a phone number and send an email. Okay, that's all we're doing. And we're just simply washing, rinsing, and repeating. Okay, this is the best time of year, folks, the most opportune time of year to get started in a home-based business. And I love the price point because it doesn't take a lot of these to really see some nice profits. If you do some simple math, folks, if you're following the system, if you're getting your ads out there daily, folks, realistically now, of course, again, I can't make any income guarantees or promises, but if you're following the system, people are responding very, very well, very positively, and realistically speaking, no reason why you shouldn't be able to average at least 4 of these signups on a weekly basis by following the simple instructions. And I'm going to be discussing some different avenues and some effective ways that you can advertise this for free and low cost. Okay? 4 of these a week, if you do the simple math, folks, $250 times 4 is $1,000. And that's very realistic, very conservatively speaking. If you really hit the ground running and take massive action, folks, there's no reason why you can't see even higher, better results and higher profits, okay? So just wanted to get that out there. So I'm going to show you what the digital download looks like, okay? This is the digital download right here. So what we're doing is we're simply sharing a phone number. You can do this. You can advertise this for free using social media if you're a social media person. For example, you can post on your Facebook timeline, okay? You can also use Facebook stories. Both of those are free. You can use Instagram. That is also free. You can upload these videos using a free screen sharing software like what I'm doing right now called Screencast-O-Matic. And you can share this PDF, okay? And you can, discuss the different, ways and means to share the phone number and just keep it simple. Like I say, if you're a social media person, that's wonderful. If you want to do videos, it's all free, folks. But no worries if you are not, okay? You don't have to worry because we have so many other ways and means to advertise this. You can post simple, little, very affordable Craigslist ads, okay? $5, $10 ads on Craigslist, okay? Simply sharing the phone number, for example, in the gigs section, and also the small biz ads section of Craigslist in your local geographic locale. Okay, so that's other ways. If you have an email list, okay, we give you the email copy that you can just literally swipe and deploy and send to your email list. And if you don't have an email list, folks, no worries, okay? You don't need one. We have excellent resources that you can put and invest only $20 and place an ad using the ad copy that we give you. And I will share that with you here momentarily. So there's all kinds of ways and means to get the word out. Perhaps you're not even an online person. Perhaps you like and enjoy offline marketing. We've got you covered. You can do flyers. You can mail out flyers. You can use direct mail. You can do postcards. You can mail out simple, cheap little postcards. And you can also place simple little newspaper ads, okay? Word of mouth advertising, folks. You can do this so many different ways. Free, low cost paid, online, offline, or the combination of both. Totally, totally up to you, okay? So basically we're sharing the phone number, okay? And when people call the number, and they follow the prompt, they respond back and leave a message with their name and email. This is what we are sending them. We're sending them a short little email with this 4-page digital download attached. And this has all the details that anybody could ever need or want to make a buying decision. It's really simple. You don't want to overcomplicate this. You don't want to reinvent the wheel. Okay? So basically, this is the 4-page digital download. So we advertise a phone number. Right here, this is my phone number. So I encourage you to definitely test this out. Call this number. Listen to the short recorded message. If this is something that piques your interest, it resonates with you, leave me your name and leave me your email address and speak slowly and clearly, and I'll respond back and send you the information to your email that you provide to me, okay? And then you can test out the system that way. Sound good? Okay. And that's what we're doing. So we also place ads where somebody can call your 800 link number, leave the message, you retrieve it, send the information back, or they can simply respond back with an email request. And then you respond back to them with this digital download. So it's really, really simple. There's 2 ways, 2 simple approaches. Advertise the phone number, check your messages, respond back and send the email, or simply check your email and people will request information through your email, okay? And then you just simply email them this back. So either way, folks, super simple. So it's called InstaCash250. It's a newer program, allows you to keep 100% of the commissions, okay? You just basically advertise this phone number, and you can do this anywhere you want, folks. 1-800-294-8656. That's my 800 link phone number. So call it, check it out, leave me a message if this is something that you're seriously interested in, this resonates with you, and I'll respond back to the email that you provide me, okay? And what we're doing is we are simply using top secret business opportunity buyer traffic resources, okay? So like I said, if you don't have a following, if you don't like social media, no worries. If you don't have an email list, no worries. No website required. We're not even using a website, folks. We're just simply sharing and advertising a phone number. And all the email copy is provided so that you can start to receive these instant $250 Cash App payments over and over again. Now you can use Cash App, you can use Zelle. Those are the two that I'm using currently. You can use Venmo, you can use Google Pay, any of these payment methods. This will earn you $250 Cash App payments or payments to your favorite payment method processor to your account by just simply sharing your phone number. Like I said, folks, really easy, and sending emails from home. If you're traveling on vacation from the beach, anywhere, folks, advertise a phone number, send an email. That's all you have to do. Super easy. Okay, anybody can advertise and share a phone number, your 1-800 phone number, okay, and send an email. That's all that's involved, folks. It's a super simple process. 2 simple steps. Super newbie friendly. Anybody can do this. No previous skills required. You don't have to have a social media following. Again, you don't have to have a website. You don't have to have an autoresponder. We're not using it for this system, okay? You don't have to have an email list. We give you everything that you need, and you can pick and choose the ways and the resources, okay? Free, low cost paid. Totally up to you, okay? So simple, folks, all right? And this has great potential, as you can see right here, what is possible in just a few short weeks. And our InstaCash250 1-800 phone system works online and offline, like I just said, folks. Social media, email marketing, safe lists, solo ads, Craigslist, okay, postcards, newspaper ads, flyers, whatever you like, okay? You can pick and choose. There's no limitations. There's no restrictions. The sky is the limit. All right, using this affordable business opportunity buyer traffic to earn thousands, whether you do that on a daily basis, a weekly basis, a monthly basis, totally up to you. You're in complete control. Pretty much, folks, what you put into this is what you're going to be able to expect and fully anticipate to get out of this. It's a very simple, very high converting system. You just have to take massive action, get the word out, share your phone number, and send emails. All right? Again, sharing your phone number and sending emails from your free Gmail account. All right? More continued proof right here, 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 here. I just shared with you some live proof through my Gmail email account, okay? And I'm getting these payments consistently on a daily basis because I'm just simply following the system and the instructions, and I'm sharing my phone number and I'm sending emails, all right? And you can do the same thing. I will share everything with you. The way I have this set up, folks, it's working like a charm. This truly works like a well-oiled machine, folks. It's proven, it's tested, and it just absolutely works. It's really, really simple, and the price point is absolutely excellent. It doesn't take a whole host of these little payments to build up to one $250 payment. Folks, one single payment can be earning you $250 a day. If you do the math, folks, you can see what the monthly potential is. 2 of these a day, folks, that's $500 a day. 3 of these a day, $750 a day. 4 of these a day, that's $1,000 a day, folks. And that's all doable. It's achievable. It's realistic because you can layer it on, folks. I mean, start with one method, then add on another method, add on another method, whatever you want to put into this, folks. It's great, it's simple, and the potential truly is here using using the resources, my top secret business opportunity buyer traffic resources, to start to collect these unlimited 250 instant cash payments. Okay, high converting email ad copy. You're going to be given everything, step-by-step instructions, all with the ad copy, the scripts that you can literally swipe, deploy, use as your own. Put your own personal spin and twist on these if you desire. You're going to get my fail-proof fast start instructions. Follow my lead, and you'll be on the fast track to success, folks. Okay? Full resale rates to this entire system, along with your 1-800 phone system, so you can start to earn 100% commissions. All right? You're going to get bonuses right here and here, so go ahead and check all that out. And once you respond with either a voice message on my 800 number or sending me an email, my contact information, folks, is right here. I will respond back to you and send you this digital download that you can review and follow the instructions to get started, okay? You can get started today. It's only $250 one time, and I accept Cash App. There's my Cash App ID right here, folks. $ my name, MARYBETHANGIOLELLI, or you can send this by Zelle. It's my email address, MBANGIOLELLI@gmail.com. After you've made the payment, I will send you the InstaCash250 system to your email that you provide to me, okay? You have any questions? This is my personal cell, and it is the best way to reach me. 330-787-1795 if you are serious, okay? Text or call me if you are serious. We'll connect. I'll answer any final questions you might have, and then you just follow these instructions, folks, and you will receive your entire system that you can start to resell and start to earn these $250 payments over and over again, like I'm doing and countless other members of InstaCash250 System are doing, okay? There's my personal information right here, okay? And then let me just show you this. This is a sample ad, an email copy that you literally will be provided with. You can send this out. If you have an email list, folks, this works like a charm. And if you don't, we have resources, okay? Very, very low cost. $20 one time. Just copy and paste this. Insert your 1-800 link phone number. Insert your email. Place your order for 20 bucks. And this will be delivered to thousands of people. It'll be put in front of thousands of prospects who are looking for a simple system just like this, and a simple way to earn unlimited $250 payments over and over again from the comfort of their home or their travel destination, folks. Okay, you can work this anywhere. So hopefully, folks, I provided you with insight, value, inspiration. I hope you're as excited as I was when I first was introduced and learned about this amazing, amazing system that is allowing me to earn $250 daily over and over again, even multiple times a day, folks. It's all possible. So, folks, remember, all things are possible for those who believe. You just have to have a little bit of faith, take the initiative, show up every day, follow the instructions, be consistent, share your 800 link phone number, send emails, and you'll be off to the races, folks, earning those wonderful $250 payments too, okay? Kiddos are going back to school. This is the busiest time of year, folks. The holidays aren't all that far away when you think about it. Everybody needs extra cash. This is one of the easiest ways to accomplish that, and so much more. So if you're ready to truly change your life, folks, connect with me, call my number, request the information, text me, call me, just get a hold of me, folks, and let's get you started today. The contact information is below. My 1-800 link phone number is below. Call this number now, 1-800-294-8656. Leave me a message. I'll send you the information. Let's get you started today. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon on another InstaCash 250 video. Bye-bye. Make it a great day. Thank you.